Okay, this is RJ Luzano Resort in Paniqui, Tarlac. As you can see here, this is more of a good nature environment for the next project of Get Me Up. A very critical location for the healing wonders of Alkaline. This is the 5-door apartment suitable for the spa project. This is the extension of the entrance. Now we're going to the pool side of the resort. There, as you can see, fully furnished with nature. Here's the mini soup. That's the convention center where we can conduct seminars, training, etc. There's the pool. On that far end, we have the kid pool and the adult pool. Here is the old house of the Luzanos. Oh yeah, may monkey pa dyan. On the end part of this resort, this is another prospect for the organic farming. See, that is the far end of the resort, and exit is located over there, going to Barangay Akukulaw. This is the back portion of the resort. Yeah. Let's take a good look for proper planning. Pasya lang ako dito. Yeah. This is an ocular inspection through my Canon Cybershot. Sony pala ito. Okay. Dito yung mga ibon ni Luzano. Yan. This is a very, very serene place. A very nice place in setting up nature's healing by the use of alkaline technology. Sarap, mahangin. Okay, this is the main hall. There. So maluwag ito for training or seminars or maybe we can use this for the blood analysis. Maluwag ito, may parking area ito. Ayan. It's good. Okay, yun yung main function room. Papasok tayo rito sa yung unang bahay kubo ni Mr. Lozano. This is the proposal site ng mga medtech technicians ng Alkaline. Ayan. Ayan siya. O, ayan si Mr. Lozano Art. Kaway ka nga, sir. O, ayan. Ayan siya. Kita mo na siya. Yun. So, may entrance doon. Plus this one. Yan yung kaninang dinala natin doon sa, sa vineyard niya. This is another entrance. So, maluwang. Entrance, exit. Para hindi matraffic. O, mayroon pa daw isa doon. So, mayroon pa isang exit doon. Yan. So, magandang site. Oh, yeah. May bahay kubo na rito. Pwede ka na magpahinga rito, Art, pagka na-hypertensive ka. Good site. Nice.